So in last class, we discussed about the Google Maps, right? So today now we will concentrate on that is here advertisements. Regarding advertisement, we will discuss on this just a minute. Okay. So here now we will concentrate on ads. So how to enable the ads for our application? So how we can manage that we will see here. So for that here now, I'm creating one new project here. So new project. So empty visa activity. So here for this ads example. So I created this ads example. So here now, if you want to enable the ads here in our Android, so there are some third-party website will be there. So first of all, in that website, we have to create an account. So for that here, third-party means it is from Google only. So that we have to create an here Admob. So in this Admob account, first of all, you have to sign up by using your proper details. So while you are signing up here now, you should give the proper information. So what is the proper information? Like address, bank details, everything you should give in a proper, because whatever the details you will give that here for registration, that account could be verified physically. They means they'll send one PIN number to your physical address. So once you approve that one, then that you enter that PIN, then you are eligible for the doing the payment withdrawal. So otherwise, if they will give the chance for 2 to 3 times, once it is approved, then it is okay. Otherwise, they'll ask them to upload your address proof. So whatever the address proof you upload here, that should match with your previously, which was you given initially. So then it will be approved. Otherwise, it cannot. So after that, here already I have an account. Just I'm going to signing into this. So now just it is signing in. Just yeah, so it is signing into this account, right? Now from here, once it's signed in here, now there is an option here. So home, this is the home. Here you can able to see that how many ads, how many things we are getting here. So means how much amount we are drawing, how many apps are there. So what is the income for this? What is the activities done this month? That will come here. This. Now in here we have the apps. So whatever the apps you are uploaded, whatever the apps which enable, that you can. So from here you can create the ad also, but once you create the app, you cannot delete. That's why just selecting the application here. See, once you selected that application here, so that application has some certain things here. So that is app overview. This is an app overview. Here it is opening. In this app overview, here we can particularly will get that app related things. Then so add units. So here for this particular this, you have to create the unit. So here you can. So just for the previous one, I'm removing here. So now we'll add new credentials for this. Means there are multiple types of things are there that we will create here. So based on usage, like while writing the code here, we will enable. Then here app controls and backing here this will. So once we'll create that, then it will come here clearly. So here now. So I want to check it here code. So code also always you can take from here. So Android ads in Android ads. So this will be here code. Code wise, you can go to the developer.android.com here itself. So we already created a project, right? Even this example is available in my website also. So like here, we will search this. Ads. I think I not added that one. Admob. Okay, only create account. How to create an Admob account? This is the process here. Now, so you can add more website. You can add provide basic information, accept terms and condition, enable that. So this is the Admob account. After that, it is not here. So that code here now we will get from here. See here, this is the code here. So the project which is created here, right? So we have to follow this. So in this now, so just I'll add this one. So that is the Kotlin dependency. So this dependency we have to add in our application level. So where is that application? Adds example. So in this application now, here I'll add here. So then on the top, here I'll add. So let us sync this. So once this syncing is done, then next level, we will see the next step here. So the gravel build has completed here. Now, next. So in manifest file, so this is what we have to add in manifest file. So in manifest file, this we have to add. So that is the metadata we have to add here. So we'll go to the manifest file. So I'm opening the manifest file. Here in the manifest file, I'm adding this, right? So this is the key where we will get that we will trust. So after that here, now this is done. So here now first we have to enable this banner ad. So to enable this banner ad here, now I'm clicking this banner ad. So get started with the banner. So that is the first thing we have to do that. After that here, now I'm going to the banner ad. So for this banner ad here now, um, so this is what we have to add here. So this is the code for banner. We have to add this. So in this main activity, so here now I have to add this. Hello. Oh, sorry. So now here, just we copied the code from there, right? So that button we will create for here. So that is here now where we have copied that. Here we have copied, right? So this is the code I'm copying here. Now I'm pasting that here. See, this is the add unit. So here now I'm adding that add unit here. Now from here, now this we have to improve, we have to import this. So then add unit. So this is not required here. So then this is also not required here, right? So for this add unit and add size, we have to add both. So for that here now, add unit. So that add unit we will get from here. See, first of all here in a settings, go to settings here. So in a settings, you will get an app ID. So that particular app ID here we have to copy and we have to update in manifest. So this is the app ID. So this app ID first we have to update in the manifest file. So I have updated in manifest file. Then second step here in add units. Now whatever the ad we are creating, so there are multiple types of ads we can create, and that we are creating this banner ad. So banner ad here we have to create here. So just I'll add here banner. So just create unit. So for the banner ad, I have created this unit. So this is the ID. So copy this ID and this ID here you can paste here. Here that is the ID. You can paste that ID. So this ad size. So what is that ad size? So just it is done. Then next here for ad size, what it is defined something here. So private val ad size we have to declare on the top, that is ad size. So ad size we have to import that ad size. So this is also not okay. So once we add this, now automatically the banner ad will be displayed here on this. So that is the about this first one, which is that ad banner that will be used here. This. So that ad will be displayed here. That is the initial, that is the basic ad which we created that. So that will be there. Yeah. So it will be created here. This will be like this. Done. So this is about the banner. Once we create this now, what we have to do here next step. Okay. So sorry, this one we have to create it. This is not. But for this, I'm creating the size. So private size. So this we have to declare here. So val size. Get. So this is the build. We have to update. This is the build. In case version is more than this, it should be different way. If it is less than this, it should be different way. That should be updated here. Right. Next, in case if it is this, so for that Windows matrices like here in latest version is coming with the curved shape, right? So that curved shape will come there. So that will be here. All right, that is the ad size. Outside of this, it will be right. So outside will be created like this. This is about the first one. So that is this. In case next, I want to go within a full ad. So that is full ad, we can say has the industrial size. So industrial. So in case if you want a full ad, so the same process here, I'm coming into this full ad section. So in this full ad, so previously which we created, that will be displayed as a strip in somewhere in our application. But now this will be here full ad. So that will be displayed in entire application. So where you want. So for that here now, so this is the code, we have to add this. So for this now, first of all, just I want to capture this code, right? So this is the code here. Now, from here now, I'll add just, it is here, this is the full ad. So to display this full ad, here is the code here. So this is the code. So add request, we have to create this add request and in the CLI. So import this. Then for this also ID required. So that ID we will get from here. Now I'll come back to here. This is done, right? So from here we will add new ad. So that is here. So this is the one full ad. I'm adding the full ad here. So full. So just I'm creating the full ad here. So copy this and you can paste that ID here. Done. So then here we have to add an add request. Import the add request. Then import log. So this we have to add. This is a string, right? So that's string. So here. So this is the listener. It is done. So add listener. These all are the imports. We have to import this. Also on top of that, we have to declare something. Like this is on the already that we covered this. So this we have to declare on the top. So globally, I'm declaring those two parameters here. Then here, where is the error is showing here? So now it is showing error. So just it is a null assertion. This lag is not required, so we can comment that. No problem. So this is about the. Yeah. So once this is done here, so that's it. So this two things has done. Now, in case now I want to go with the next step, like here once this is done, so here you have to maintain in this account. So in this account now we have to add your ads, like but here there is some rules, like when you use that application. See, when I have created this application here in my zone, so to avoid completely the usage in that particular zone, so that because it will treat it as a duplicate, so that's why completely you can avoid that. Right. So this is about the ads, how to create an ads. So the tomorrow we'll see that how to create an Play Store account, how to and in the Play Store account that we'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay, so